Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 36 under Test of Orals, Section 4. Now the instruction is, from the words lettered A to D, choose the one that has the correct stress. So in this question, we are looking at stress patterns, and the word given to us here is constitution. So A, you have the word constitution with the stress on the first syllable. B, you have the stress on the second syllable. C on the third, and then D on the last syllable. So like we've rightly said, the word constitution has 4 syllables. 4 syllables. So constitution, that is 4 syllables. And in order to get the correct stress pattern, in general, there are rules that govern stress patterns. So as for this one, we are looking at a word that ends with shun. And as far as stress patterns are concerned, the rule governing words that end with shun is that the syllable before the shun is stressed. So for words like constitution here given to us, another example could be a word like communication. So this rule tells us that the syllable before shun is stressed. So in the word communication, it will be K. So for the word constitution, the syllable before shun is 2, and that is option C. So option C is the correct answer to this question. So thank you. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.